My husky has a first name, it's Kojak, Kojak Bear. He likes to talk, he likes to sing, he likes to do many, many, many things. His name is Kojak Bear. He likes to dance and sing. He likes to lay on his back and do many things. He likes to go to the park. He likes to go for a walk. He likes to be up there and talk, talk, talk. My name is Kojak, Kojak Bear. I like to run in the woods everywhere. Kojak, Kojak Bear. And if you want to hug me, I'm here. I talk in the middle of the morning, I talk even at night. I have a friend named Sandy, Sandy. Hey, Sandy. Yeah, that's you. Yeah, it's right. We go to the park, we like to run, we like to have lots of